3.6, number 41, we are going to find the derivative for y is equal to square root of x minus 1 over x to the 4 plus 1. This is a rather complicated function, but if we ln both sides, we can somehow make this easier. Let me show you. And by the way, that's what we mean by the log differentiation. You first ln both sides, and then we'll use the ln properties as much as we can to simplify this complicated part. On the left-hand side, we cannot do much with it. I'll just write down ln y is equal to, and ln of something, right? And especially here I have a square root. You pretty much always write square root as something raised to the half power. We'll do so as well. X minus 1, the inside doesn't change, over x to the 4 plus 1. And the square root will be the 1/2 power. And because we have ln right here, ln of something raised to power, I can bring the power to the front. So I can write this as 1/2 ln of x minus 1 over x to the 4 plus 1, just like this. And ln of a quotient, ln of something divided by something, I can also write this as a difference. The 1/2 is still in the front. And then let me open the big parentheses. ln of x minus 1 over x to the 4 plus 1 can be broken down as ln of x minus 1, and you subtract ln of x to the 4 plus 1, like this. And now, what we're saying is, my function is ln y is equal to this. And let me distribute 1/2 inside. So technically I have 1/2 ln of x minus 1, 1/2 times that, minus 1/2 ln of x to the 4 plus 1. And now we are ready to take the derivative. Let's do dx all the way in the front, like this. So now, ln y will give you 1 over y times dy dx. That's equal to, let me write down the 1/2 first. Derivative of ln of something is going to be 1 over the same thing inside, x minus 1. And the derivative inside, derivative x minus 1 is just 1, so it doesn't matter. Minus 1/2 times the derivative of this. Derivative of ln of something is 1 over, you bring this down to the denominator, x to the 4 plus 1. And in this case, the derivative inside x to the 4 plus 1 is equal to 4x to the 3rd power. That's from the derivative of x to the 4th is 4x to the 3rd power. So you must multiply by 4x to the 3rd power with this because of the chain rule. And now, take a look at this, we're almost done. I see that I can cancel the 2 right here, and I can cross this 4 out, and this becomes a 2. And on the left hand side, I want to isolate dy dx, and I have 1 over y. Focus on the 1 over y. This is 1 over y. Let me multiply both sides by y. Let me multiply both sides by y right here, like this. And after that, I will be able to cancel the y right here. So, here I will get dy dx, which is the derivative, it's equal to y, and let's write y as the original function, which is the square root of x minus 1 over x to the 4 plus 1. That's y, right? So this y will turn into square root of x minus 1 over x to the 4th plus 1. And we'll multiply this with whatever we have inside. And now let's take a look. On the first part, 1 times 1 is just 1 over, I have 2 times x minus 1. And I can put this as 2 parentheses x minus 1, because there's always an invisible parentheses around the denominator. And on the second part, I have minus. The numerator is just 2x to the 3rd power. Over the denominator is x to the 4th plus 1. And this is exactly the answer in the back of the book.